Lithuanian cuisine is deeply rooted in its agricultural heritage, showcasing a rich tapestry of flavors that have evolved over centuries. The blending of Baltic traditions with Polish culinary styles began during the Grand Duchy of Lithuania, which introduced stuffed pastries and hearty stews. German influences are evident in the smoked and pickled meats popularized during the Teutonic rule, while the Soviet era added home-style dishes reflecting resourcefulness. Cepelinai, a hearty dumpling dish with pork filling, epitomizes the cooking traditions that have endured through various occupations. Today, Lithuania embraces a culinary renaissance, blending historical recipes with modern gastronomic techniques, while maintaining a connection to its rich culinary origins.